The first thing you will need to do to set up your remote alarm kit from uWave monitoring systems is to make sure that the Micromate has the correct settings. So first you're going to want to go to Setup, View or Edit Current Setup File, and then go all the way to the bottom. At the bottom there will be an auxiliary. Make sure that it's set to remote alarm. And in here you can see I have it set to have it go off on the Geo for 5 seconds. You can also have it turn on for the mic as well. From there, you're going to want to make sure you connect your sensors to your Micromate, and then you're going to want to get your power cord, which will look like this, and you're going to want to make sure to attach the red wire to the red terminal on the battery and the black wire to the black one. Once you have your power cord hooked up, you can then connect together the light and the other components. So there will be a 3-pronged plug that will need to correspond to the light, to a cigarette lighter output that needs to go to the input. From there, you will see that there is the part for the power that comes from the battery, and then on this end, this needs to go into the auxiliary box. And from here, we need one that goes to common and the other that goes to alarm. And it does not matter the order in which these get connected. Once you have that connected together, you can then attach the auxiliary cable to the Micromate, which is attached in the center port on the bottom of the Micromate. From there, you can go ahead and connect the power cord to the wiring harness. And make sure that the switch for the cigarette lighter is in the on position. From there, we can go ahead and set the Micromate to start monitoring. Once your Micromate is monitoring, you can go ahead and test it by tapping on the geophone. And here we can see that the light does indeed go off. It is important to also note that you can change the type of flashing that occurs on the cigarette lighter. So if it's going off, we can see we can change the type of flashing.